Hello everyone. So in this video I will be showing you how to change or rename a database name in MySQL. So let's get started. So to be honest, there isn't actually any direct way or direct command to rename a particular database. This is because for security reasons that particular feature has been disabled by MySQL. So the only way to do this is by copying all the contents present in one database to another new database and dropping the old database. So that's the only way to do it. And for that we will be using a dump file. Okay. So it's called DUMP. So let me first go and do that. So first thing what you do is you need to go to your command prompt, okay, and you need to type the following command, which is mysql dump hyphen h localhost hyphen u root hyphen p and your existing database. So I am having here like these many database over here. Let's suppose say that I want to just copy the contents of this am latest database to some other database, or let's say I want to rename this particular database. So that's going to be your first database. Okay, so it's going to be am latest and just put a greater than symbol, and this is a dump file as I told you there. It can be dump.sql. So this can be renamed. Okay, so this is the first command. Don't put a semicolon over there, just hit enter. So it will ask you for the password, just type the password, and that's it. You're done with the first step. Next thing what you need to do is you need to go to MySQL command prompt. So for that what you do is mysql hyphen u, the name of the user. Okay, in my case it is root hyphen p. Okay, just hit enter and just type the password. So you can, if you in some cases if you just type mysql hit enter, it will work. So if it doesn't work, just type this full command. So now we are in the mysql command prompt, and here to create the renaming name. Okay, so the name that you want to change to your database. So for that case you can just, it's create database, the new name of your database. So I will put just hello, that's it. This is going to be a new database, and here you need to place a semicolon and just hit enter. So it's saying one row affected. So if I just go here and just refresh it, I will be getting hello, which is actually empty. Okay, there isn't any table. If I click on table also, there isn't any table. But after a few minutes we will have this, all this table. Okay, so this is am latest, which is our like the table or the database that we want to rename. So all these tables will be coming inside our hello database, which is empty as for now. So that's it. We have done with our MySQL. So just exit it. Okay, exit semicolon, hit enter, and that's it. And next you need to type this command, mysql hyphen h local host hyphen u root hyphen p and your second database name, that is our hello. Okay, you need to put hello and less than symbol and the dump file. Okay, dump.sql. okay, so it will be dump dot, give a space over here, dump.sql, no semicolon, just hit enter. It will ask you the password, type it, hit enter, and it will take some time to process all the things. So once it is done, and now if you just go to your MySQL workbench and just refresh it, and now if you go to hello, so now as you can see, like just a minute before our hello database had no tables. Now it has all these tables that are present inside am latest. So all these data tables from am latest have been copied to hello. So we are now just migrated from all the tables from one database to another database. And next thing what you do is you will just drop that particular existing database. So for that what you do is same thing, you will just go to your MySQL command prompt, and we're just going to put drop database, or first our like the old name. Okay, am latest, and just enter. So that's it. If you just refresh it now, am latest is gone, and but all the contents present inside am latest have been transferred to hello. So these are some of the commands that I've used in this video. Shell means the normal command prompt, and MySQL means the MySQL command prompt. So you can just pause this. Okay, so I think this is the only way available. We can't just directly rename from database name to another by using a command. There isn't any like feature there. So if you know anything like that, you can just comment in the video. And I hope you have found this video useful. My prompt channel and many other videos in SQL, interview questions, query questions, as well as C, C++, Java, Python, 3D animation, Blender. So do check out the rest of my channel and subscribe and support me. Thanks for watching.